welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making a Southwest cheese quesadilla. This yummy snack is to enjoy when you're looking for something savory with a hint of spice, along with an amazing homemade green salsa and creamy cilantro dip. So let's get started making this cheesy, delicious snack. The green salsa ingredients: 5 large jalapenos, 1 cup cilantro, 1 to 1.5 cups of canola oil, 1/4 of a yellow onion, 5 garlic cloves. On medium heat, add some canola oil to the pan. Next, add the jalapenos. Keep turning the jalapenos, cooking evenly on both sides. Set them aside to cool down. Add the yellow onion, garlic cloves. Give them a good saute. Add the cooked jalapenos, onions, and garlic into a blender. Salt to taste, cilantro, canola oil about 1/2 cup. Begin to start the blender. Add the remaining canola oil till it has reached your desired consistency. This green sauce has a very smooth, delicious flavor. The creamy cilantro dip ingredients: 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayo, 1/4 cup cilantro, 1/2 of a lime juice. Add sour cream, mayo, lime juice, cilantro, 1 tablespoon of oil, salt to taste, pepper to taste. Super quick dipping sauce that has a fantastic flavor. The quesadilla filling ingredients: 1 cup Mexican cheese blend, 1.5 cups of black beans, 1 cup bell peppers, 1/3 cup cilantro, 1 diced tomato, 1/2 cup of corn, 3/4 cup red onions, flour tortillas. Add oil to the pan, add bell peppers, red onion, tomato. Saute till ingredients are cooked. Add corn, black beans, cumin powder, chili powder, salt to taste, pepper to taste. Saute till ingredients are cooked. Add in the cilantro. Finally, we have reached building the quesadilla. Add butter to the pan, tortilla, green salsa, cheese, add the black bean filling, add more cheese, toast till desired golden brown color. Look at this incredible quesadilla. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a delicious snack with all the different flavor combinations, which makes for a wonderful experience. Give this a try and let me know in the comments below or tag me on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel to give your support. And I will see you guys on my next video.